try to make slime. So let's get started. So the things that we're gonna use is laundry detergent.
Laundry detergent.
This one. And we're gonna need some beads. Y'all can stick. Or beads kind of. We're gonna put them together. And we have our disco, air plate, and food coloring. And then we have our white glue slime. And then we have our water. Let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to use is glue. This much. Then I put the laundry
detergent.
This one, laundry detergent. We're going to put it in a little bit. This is the laundry detergent, and we're going to pour it in. Then we're going to pour some water with this little spoon. You have this little spoon. This regular spoon. I poured 4 spoons. So now that we poured 4 spoons, we're going to put the food coloring. So these are my food colorings. I don't care which one I choose, but I'm going to choose this pink one. We open it. Now let's get our mixing tool and get then put it there and mix it. And the slime is already coming out. But it's really sticky, guys. Now we're gonna pour in a little bit of water. With this spoon, we're gonna pour like 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. That's too much. Now let's mix it. I want to put more food coloring. I'm going to put more food coloring. This much. I'm going to mix it. And we're going to mix it. So, oh, God. Came out really sticky. A little bit sticky. Like this, y'all. I think we need to put more food coloring. So it makes more, so instead, I'm going to use the purple one because the pink one is running out of paint. So let's use this purple one. Okay. This is the color. I know it's different, but I'm just going to, oh God. Oh, that's sticky. I'll mix it. I'm just gonna mix it with my fingers. So I'm mixing. I'm mixing it with my hands, guys. Because now we're gonna put more laundry detergent. I don't know how to say it, but we're gonna put it in. Again, first time, a little bit. Now let's she got a lot. So now let's put it. Then let's mix it again. Oh my gosh. Let's put in some water. Not that much. Mix it. Guys, I don't have slime activator, so instead I'm gonna use Twilight Woods. It makes it slimy. So this is lotion and Last time I was doing slime at home and I got run out of slime activator. So instead I'm going to put Toilet Woods body lotion. It's lotion. Still, body lotion. It's body lotion. So let's put it on our slime. That's too much, but it'll make it more sticky and slimy. Just need to mix it with our hands. Mix it. Oh my god. It's getting sticky, guys. And it's, oh my god, it's getting like slimy. So this is how it can look like. Like that. We'll mix it again. Like this. Oh my god. OMG. God. So this is my slime. It stretches a lot. Okay. This actually worked. It wasn't a fail. You'll see this is stretchy. And thanks for watching my videos. And give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And tell me what you want me to do on my next video. Thanks for watching and bye.